Good morning. It is Saturday and it is early in the morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Well, it's really 8:40. And I am headed out to run some errands because the boys start school this week, Monday. So I finally got the list from their teacher, the confirmed list from their teachers. So I am headed to the store to get everything that they need, snacks, all that good stuff, to make sure we have a successful virtual school year, since I'm going to be mommy teacher. I got fired last year, so I'm going to try and really do better this year. But my thought plan was to get up and go in these stores before everybody else got up. But my body was like, girl, you tired? Just rest another hour or so. So that's what I did, because my plan was to be in the stores by 7. And I did get up at about 6:45, but my body was like, nope. So I rested a little bit more, took a shower, got dressed, and now we are on the road. So our first stop is going to be Sam's, because I have the business preferred and I'm also military, so I get to go in before everybody else. So hopefully, I think Sam's opens up at like 9 maybe, so I might not even make it there in time to do that. I just hope that they don't have a line. But in any event, I will check back in with you guys so we can shop at Sam's. All right, y'all, so there was a line, but I had 5 minutes. Like literally, I made it here with 5 minutes left to be able to walk in for the preferred or whatever. So thank God for that. Oh, that's a pretty wreath. So we're about to bring some snacks for the kids and some other stuff that I need to stock up on in the house, because with me being down, I wasn't really able to get in here the way that I needed to, or buy any of the stuff that I needed to buy. I wonder if I want to go. I'm gonna start from the back of me and work my way to the front. So yeah, guys, let's do a little bit of shopping. Y'all, it is so hot for it to be 9:30 in the morning. Oh Lord. So as y'all saw, I got so much stuff from Sam's, and now to conquer Walmart. Pray for me, because it's so hot and I'm so out of breath, and I think I'm overdoing it, but I got to get my baby straight for school. So I probably won't vlog in Walmart, just because I'm extremely tired and I just want to get this over with. And I'm not tired, I'm a little exhausted. But luckily there was not a lot of people in Sam's. I was able to get in, get right on out. And I haven't eaten yet, so that might be a part of the problem too. So I need to try and do this Walmart run real quick, because Walmart is literally right on side of Sam's. Get their school supplies, some other little snacks and stuff for them, and we headed home. So it's still Saturday, and my feet were hurting so bad from earlier, and just because, and so I had asked my boys to massage my feet, right? They told me no. So I was like, okay, bet. I'm about to go to the massage thing or whatever, right? So that's where I'm at, the Chinese massage. My little one gonna say, oh, well, let me go get dressed. For what? We coming with you. For what? We want a massage too. So now instead of paying for one massage, I'm paying for 3. So I done set up an appointment for all 3 of us to get feet massages, foot massage. Get out of the camera. And our appointment is in like 10 minutes. So we waiting. I'm so annoyed because they don't need no foot massage. Okay, so we 1 hour later, we done. So what you guys think of your first massage?